we get a 23.4% return on investment in just 10 days. And this was at spot, guys. Only at spot. Welcome to the Press Detector. Thanks again for tuning in. This is Joseph. Peace be upon you all. Today we are to discuss how to profitably trade crypto using our PD levels. And our case study today is Bittensor TAO. Before we jump into what these PD levels actually are, as you know, this material is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. PD levels, what are they? Well, in a nutshell, they're buy and support levels. But what makes them unique is that they're dynamic, institutional grade support and resistance levels. So how do they look on a chart? Here's a sample. These dotted lines on a chart actually represent these PD levels. And the thicker the line, the stronger that resistance or support is. For a beginner out there, what does resistance and support actually mean? You could imagine these and think of these support and resistance levels as ceilings and floor. If price manages to overcome a certain level, let's say this one here, it becomes a floor and thus supporting price. Thus it's called support level. If price is under a certain level and it does not seem to be overcoming that level, it then is called a resistance level. And these levels interchange. Once price breaks out of that resistance level, it automatically becomes a support level, supporting price. And again, if price breaks down from a support level, it then is turned into a resistance level. For example, in this price action here, this level, when price wanted to overcome this level, it couldn't. It tried to on a couple of times, it couldn't. But once it broke up, it turned that level into support. Then sellers came in and it again turned it into another resistance level. So these levels interchange. What's really special about our PD levels? Well, they are institutional grade support and resistance zones. They identify where large buyers and investors, i.e. smart money, would step in to support price, or where they might step in to actually resist or sell down at for a certain crypto. They're charted using advanced methodical strict objective TA that accounts for all the crypto's price action history since its listing. What kind of benefits do our PD levels bring? They show you where price is most likely to bounce from as a optimum entry point for you, and respectively it shows you where price is most likely to sell down from or to be rejected at, which should highlight exits point for you. It helps you cut through the market noise, reducing the need for you to learn investment grade TA, technical analysis, and reducing emotional trading, as you really have something that's akin of a superpower in the market, akin to infrared laser vision on the market. For example, if a dump occurs for a certain crypto, you'll see clearly where it's most likely to be supported at. Unlike when looking at a plain chart where just random lines have been drawn, you'll never know where price is likely to be supported at, especially when those lines are charted using recent price, not all of price history. So who are these PD levels for? They're for traders, investors, and anyone who's looking to, first of all, enhance their trading by aligning with institutional buyers and sellers, i.e. smart money. Anyone who's looking to gain a competitive edge in the market by understanding where significant market moves are likely to occur. Whether you're a seasoned trader or retail investor, these levels will help you navigate the market with greater insight and precision. But what makes our PD levels so accurate and revolutionary? And what are the hallmarks of those PD levels? First of all, they're dynamic. They show you the levels way above and under price, thus letting you account for sudden moves in the market. Second of all, they're custom tailored. Each graph is technically analyzed on its own from the ground up. Third of all, they're up to date. These levels are updated on either a weekly basis for younger, newer cryptos and at least a monthly basis for all other cryptos. Lastly, the entire price history is actually captured and analyzed, ensuring the comprehensive view of the whole price action of a certain crypto. What are the benefits that you'll gain when utilizing PD levels for trading? Our main aim and goal here is to provide the public with the ultimate market navigation tool, uncovering price action, especially price action that will occur in the future, thus predicting possible price action paths. We want to eliminate the hassle for you to learn all the in-depth technical analysis methodologies. Second of all, eliminate the invested time and effort for you to go and technically analyze each and every chart of your top cryptos. And lastly, the unwanted maintenance of updating those charts continuously, thus letting you focus on your actual trading strategy and proper risk management when taking those trades. But how do you actually trade using our PD levels? Let's have a look here. Simply put, you just put in your buy orders just above a collection of PD support lines, and best case would be the stronger the PD support is, you could put in your entries there. And the same goes for sell orders. The stronger the PD resistance line is, you just put in your sell order below that line. It's that simple. But now let's prove this. This was Bittensor between the 9th and 16th of September. It was charted back on the 9th. And you can see here the lines of the different weights here. The thicker the line, the stronger that resistance or support would be. And these red and green lines are just sample lines where you could come in as an investor or trader and add your buy and sell levels. What's great about our PD levels is that they're not time sensitive. For example, for a certain crypto group with a VIP membership, they issue a buy alert or a sell alert. If you're not online and reactive at the same moment, you're done. But what's great about our PD levels is no matter what time you look at a chart, you could mark up your entries and exits regardless of all the other market participants. Let's say you come in and price is just above there near the top of the current view. What you could do is just, again, you put in your levels calmly above the current PD support and you rinse and repeat, What's even great about PD level trading is especially powerful when market is chopping sideways, as well as when markets are on a downturn for a specific crypto, as you could just ride the waves and profit from the market moves ups and down, as you know, because price never goes up on a straight line, nor does it go down on a straight line. And we'll do a separate video on how to actually trade on sideways action and especially on downtrends, because you'll need specific strategies to utilize trades and profitably trade on a downturn. So what kind of profits or potential gains do PD level trading provide? Let's showcase my latest trading session. Here's a summary. It was at spot for sure, because we only go at spot and we never touch leverage here, because crypto is exponential enough, guys. The duration was around 10 days. It spanned between the 22nd of September and the 1st of October, a total of 6 trades, 10 buys and 6 sells. The largest open position was around $2,250. Here's the first trade. The first buy level was around 451.3 and the second buy at 450.3, a position size of $700, around 2.6% profit. That's over $18, and it spanned around just 4 hours for this trade. A second trade here, the position size was around 2,250, a profit of 4.21%, just under $100, and that span again just around 4 hours here. If you could see, around 3 p.m. was the first and second buy, and around 7 p.m. was the exit. Here's the third trade. The position size was around $1,000, the profit around 8.19%. That's $81, and it span around 11 hours, guys. The first buy level at 521.7, sell level was 564.4. Here's the fourth trade, a position size of 2,250, a profit of 6.3%, just under $150, and this one span around 15 hours, guys. Way under a day. This was our first buy at 531.7, a second buy at 521.7 as prices drop, and then an exit at 558.4 under 15 hours. A fifth trade just before the last, a position size of $2,254, profit of 5.61. This span under 2 days. First buy was on the 27th, second buy on the 29th, and then an exit at the 553.4 mark. $126 in profit. A sixth trade, guys. This was the last trade, position size of around $1,000, profit of 6.24%. This one span, again, just 4 hours. Let's do a quick review. A total profit of $526 in just 10 days. A cumulative profit percentage for all the trades was around 33.25. If we divide the profit with the largest open position, we get a 23.4% return on investment in just 10 days. And this was at spot, guys. Only at spot. Imagine if you had a larger position. Let's do a quick comparison between PD trades versus HODL. Our first buy price was around 451.3 versus a current price of 593.9. That's only 9.5% if you just held, versus our 23.4% and $526. That's more than a 2.4x versus this 9.5 performance. So especially powerful when markets are chopping sideways and on a downtrend. So you really need to utilize our strategy. But let's have a look at how these levels look like on a chart. I've color coded the green and red lines to show you the difference between support and resistance. If price is above a certain line, that it's support. If it's below, it's resistance. And these solid green lines here are where you could put in your entry prices, again, as you see, just above support. And when prices go down, it's actually in your favor because you're lowering your average price. And let's say your average price was this area here, and then you time in your exits as well. You put in your exit trades or sell orders just below resistance. Best case is below strong resistance, for example here. And what's great about PD levels is you can even see resistance way above current price. Even on price discovery mode, you could see how our PD levels are really accurate at gravitating towards the price. This is in a nutshell how you could utilize our PD levels. No mumbo jumbo, no special technical analysis that's really very subjective. These are just objective lines where you could just put in your levels at and put in your sells at, and all you have to do is just manage your risk. Before we conclude, we really have an exciting announcement for you guys. In the next few weeks, we're going to be offering a pilot free trial of our PD levels to a select few of our subscribers and followers across our platforms. The cryptos that will initially be included in that pilot would be Bitcoin, Solana, Bittensor TAO, Kaspa, and Qubic. More are in the works as we speak. Make sure to drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your crypto friend whom our PD levels would help. Let us know in the comments below if you're interested, and comment below what your worst and best trades were. Keep an eye on the free trial announcement, guys. Make sure you're following us on YouTube, X, Twitter, and on Telegram. This was Joseph from the Press Detector. We'll see you soon.